Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today I'll be talking about upgrading an existing database. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. When you need to upgrade your database, there are two types of actions you might want to perform. First, change the database records. Second, change the database structure. We'll look at how to perform these actions as the video progresses, starting with changing the database structure to add columns to existing tables. Adding new columns to tables using SQL. In our earlier videos, you saw how you could create tables using the SQL create table command like this. The _id column is the primary key. This is the table name, and these are the table columns. You can also use SQL to change an existing table using the alter table command. As an example, here's what the command looks like to add a column to a table. This is the table name and the column you want to add. In the above lines, we are adding a column called favorite that holds numeric values to the drink table. Now we'll see how to rename a table or remove it from the database. Renaming tables. You can also use the alter table command to rename a table. As an example, here's how you would rename the drink table to Foo, the current table name, and this is the new name of the table. Delete tables by dropping them. In addition to creating and altering tables, you can delete them using the drop table command. The name of the table you want to remove. This command is useful if you have a table in your database schema that you know you don't need anymore and want to remove it in order to save space. Execute the SQL using exec_SQL. As you saw in some earlier videos, you can execute SQL commands using the SQLite database exec_SQL method. As an example, here's how you would execute SQL to add a new favorite column to the drink table. You can use the exec_SQL method anytime you need to execute SQL on the database. In the upcoming videos, we'll see how to connect to databases using cursors and async tasks. There are a lot of videos coming up in this series, so stay tuned for that. Show your support by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.